In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams. Presenter View is a game changer when you're sharing slides because it keeps your notes, upcoming slides, and a handy timer visible only to you, while everyone else sees a clean, full-screen presentation. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser, but the desktop app gives you the smoothest performance and the most consistent sharing experience. Next, join a scheduled meeting from your calendar or start an instant session with Meet Now. Once you're in the meeting and ready to present, look at the meeting control bar and select the Share button. From the sharing options, choose Window, then pick your PowerPoint presentation. Sharing the specific window is important because it ensures your audience only sees your slides and not your notes or any other apps you might have open. After you select your presentation window, PowerPoint should open in Presenter View automatically. On your screen, you'll see the current slide front and center, your speaker notes alongside it, and a preview of the next slide so you can stay one step ahead. You'll also see timing information that helps you pace your talk. Meanwhile, participants in the meeting see just the slideshow, full screen, without any of your private notes. If Presenter View doesn't appear, no problem. Open your PowerPoint file, go to the Slideshow tab, and choose Use Presenter View. Then switch back to Teams and share the PowerPoint window again. That will enable the Presenter View layout for you while keeping the audience view unchanged. While you're presenting, use Presenter View to keep your delivery smooth. Refer to your notes discreetly, glance at the next slide to anticipate transitions, and keep an eye on the built-in timer to avoid rushing or running long. Navigate slides with the on-screen controls or your keyboard so you can move forward, back, or jump where you need to without breaking flow. When you're finished, simply click Stop Sharing in Microsoft Teams to end the presentation and return to the standard meeting view. That's all you need to confidently use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams. This setup lets you focus on your message, stay organized, and keep your notes private. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Microsoft Teams and Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.